This is a beautiful light. It has crystals all the way around. It's a coffee color for the metal. And the fan is bi-directional. So I can change the direction for season by pushing this. So it's gonna come to a stop and then go the other way, which will actually blow the air upwards. So this would be the setting for winter. And then I'm gonna push it again to turn it back to the setting for summer. And then we have it on level 6. So it's gonna go back to level 6. And this is a fairly easy install. It's very well supported and it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna turn it down just so you can hear the difference between level 6 and level 1. That's the level 1 setting and it is really quiet. And we love our fan.
Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.